Hello and welcome back to Quizcraft Studio. Let's put your observation skills to the test and see if you can identify the real logo from the fake. Do you know which logo's real? It's logo A. Which Pringles man is real? It's the one on the right. Recognize this one? It's logo B. This one's a challenge. It's the one on the left. Do you know this one? Well done. Pizza lovers should find this one easy. You got it. That's a tough one. Did you get it right? Which one's the real logo? It's logo A. Can you tell which Netflix logo is correct? That's right, it's logo B. That's a tough one. It's the left logo. Now for a bonus round. Try and spot the odd one out. Good luck! Did you find it? Well done. Does the YouTube logo have a shadow? No, it doesn't. Which one's the real Barclays logo? That's correct. These pair are really similar. Good luck. Did you get it? Have a guess. It's logo A. The difference is subtle with this one. Did you identify the real one? How about this one? It's logo B. This one's easy. I told you it was easy. Can you remember this one? It's logo A. Does the real Wendy's logo have red or ginger hair? It's red, and don't forget the freckles. Does the Amazon arrow point left or right? Something's not quite right about one of these faces. Did you get it? Take a guess. Can you identify it? You got it. Can you tell the real Google Chrome logo? It's the left logo. Is it blue or yellow? It's yellow. Test your eyes with this one. Can you spot the odd one out? Did you get it? Which one's real? Take a guess. It's the left logo. This time there's 3 to choose from. It's logo B. One of these Crocs is an imposter. Do you know the real one? That's correct. Do you know this one? It's logo A. Now it's time to try and spot the hidden logo. Try squinting if you can't see it. Did you find it? These two are really similar. Good luck. Did you get it right? Which is the real Starbucks logo? How did you do? Recognize this one? It's all about the eyes with this one. It's the one on the left. There's not much to go on here. I'm impressed if you got that one. Can you recognize the real logo? It's logo A. Take a guess. Any ideas? It's logo A again. Can you identify this one? You got it. Does the Foot Locker logo feature a man or just a shirt? The answer is B. The design is the same, but which color is correct? Of course, it's logo A. Can you remember if the Subway logo features arrows? Did you get it right? Which McDonald's logo is genuine? It's the one on the right. Guess the correct logo. It's the left logo, which is the real Lamborghini Bull. It's logo A. This one's a challenge. Part of the logo has been flipped, but which one is correct? It's logo B. Can anyone remember the correct Atari logo? Did you get it right? Can you identify this one? How about this one? It's the one on the right. Congratulations on finishing the challenge. Don't forget to let me know how many you got in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, then I think you'll love this one next.